before the worms will start coming out. So after 21 days, we will leave that pasture and we'll go to the next one. A pasture that is grazed needs to sit and rest for 2 months before they can come back. If you want to save your money from buying the wormer all the time. So you leave the pasture to rest for 60 days. By 60 days, all the worms have turned into flies and they've flown away. The pasture is fresh again.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have a very interesting gentleman with me. Let's go hear from him. Hello, sir. Now what to say? No, for him, boy. Miss me, who Nyanko Pado? How many hours drive is that?
4 hours.
To be here from Asante Bekwai. Now, by anyone who program to say.
In fact, many ajepa. Isan say me be ma benya ni die bebre e wa ha na die ma be hunu ne die ma betie no me hunu se me nya na hyase na e bi asa amrinka me nyina ha ka me nso nkrofo ba me nche se de me ma ba mo nchen nti na ma ba beti we me mfa ni agro me ko na me de akwa akọbọ adwuma
mfa ndi agro kra oni nya me nkonso me da wa say. All right guys.